Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So today I got a bunch of really cool products from DMP Car Design that I haven't even seen before for my W205 C300. As you guys know, I installed a lot of door lights on my C300 and they've been amazing and they still work really well and they shine super bright and they're crystal clear. But my sponsors over at DMP Car Design just sent me these door lights. So right here in front of me are 5 sets of door lights, a driver's side and a passenger side. What makes these unique is that they shine not just one style of door light, but 2 style of door lights when you open the car door. And because they have that capability of shining 2 different styles of lights, they're dynamic. So on DMP Car Design's website, there's a bunch of different styles that I can pick from. I can mix and match different styles. I can even make my own custom logo design if I choose to. I'm not really sure what they pick for different styles, so we're gonna put these on one by one and check them out. And if you're interested in any of these products, definitely go check out DMP Car Design. I'll leave their information in the description below. Okay, let's first start off by removing the door lights that are currently on my car. So here is my current door light. Pretty easy to remove. I usually just grab a flathead screwdriver, insert it on one of the sides and pry up. And it's okay if the lens pops off because it can go back together. There we go. See how the lens is kind of slightly removed? It'll snap back in. There's the black connector. Just gotta pinch it, pull it out, and that's how I remove the door light. Here's one of the newer door lights. You can see the dual lens. Again, just plug it in and pop it in. Make sure the lens is facing down and the red is facing towards me. And push it back into place. And just like that, now I can show you the 5 custom versions DMP Car Design sent to me. Starting with this one, let's close the door and open it. And then afterwards, I'll take this out, put the new one in, and then we'll go through all the 5 different versions. Okay guys, so this is the first one. Whoa, that's cool. So it just switched from a star to a different style of star. Look at the detail. That is crisp. So I guess it just keeps switching until it shuts off. Really cool. Okay, so here's the next one. Mercedes-Benz logo to a star. That's really cool. Okay, so here's the next one. AMG logo to the round AMG logo. Cool. That's really cool. I mean, look at the detail. Okay, here's the next one. A star to a different style star. That's cool. Yeah, look at the detail. That's so good. This is actually probably my favorite right now. Okay, let's go to the last one. So here's the last one. Got the AMG logo. What? To my logo? That's cool. Wow. Okay, come on. That's dope. That's so cool. Okay, yeah, this is my favorite. I mean, my car is on AMG, but it does have an AMG package. And I love the fact that my logo has been custom done on a door light. How cool is that? That is so cool. Oh yeah, I can sit and watch this all day. I love it. Well, there you have it, dynamic laser projection door lights, and they look really cool. And I believe on their website, they also make a bunch of different versions. So if you have a CLA or an E-Class or other models, I believe they have dynamic door lights for those as well. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you next time.